In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for winter classes at City College. The process might seem daunting, but with clear steps and careful consideration, you'll find it straightforward and manageable. First, let's begin by checking the winter session schedule. You'll want to start by heading over to the CCNY Winter Session page, which you can usually find under the academic section. Make sure to review the class schedule, along with the important dates and deadlines. This will help you plan your application process efficiently. Now let's determine your student status. If you're a current CCNY or CUNY student, you're in luck. You can register directly through CUNYfirst. However, if you're a visiting student coming from another college, you'll need to complete a visiting student application. For those applying as non-degree students, your application will be processed through the CCNY Admissions page. Once you've figured out your student status, it's time to log in or apply. Current students should log into CUNYfirst with their CUNY credentials. If you're visiting or a non-degree student, you'll need to head to the CCNY Visiting Non-Degree Application page, fill out the online form, and submit any necessary transcripts or proof of prerequisites. After you've been admitted, registering for your classes comes next. If you're already a CCNY student or once you've been accepted, log into CUNYfirst, navigate to the Student Center, and click on Enroll. Select the winter term from the drop-down menu and add the courses you wish to take. Keep in mind, course selection can significantly impact your academic trajectory, so choose wisely. With your classes selected, the next step is paying your tuition and fees. Check your balance on CUNYfirst, and remember, the deadlines are strict. Paying on time is crucial, as payment is often required shortly after registration. You can pay online through the CUNYfirst Student Center in the Finances section. As we move to front, the final steps preparing for your classes is essential. Ensure you have your materials ready by purchasing or renting textbooks. Consider checking the CCNY bookstore or various online platforms. Additionally, set up your CUNY email and Blackboard account, as these are vital for accessing course materials and communications. Finally, let's talk about tracking. You'll need to stay informed about any additional documents you might need to upload, such as high school transcripts, SAT ACT scores, or college transcripts if you're a transfer student. Each application type might have different requirements, so keep a checklist. Review your application to ensure all information is accurate, pay your application fee online, and finally, submit it before the deadline. Once everything is submitted, you should receive a confirmation email with instructions on tracking your application. Log into your CUNY or CCNY portal to monitor the status of your application and be prepared to submit any additional documents requested by admissions. By following these steps carefully, you can successfully navigate the process of applying for winter classes at City College. Good luck, and we hope to see you soon on campus.